clarify to this House that, number one, Kenyan teams at this level do not use Adidas as a brand. In fact, the National Olympics Committee of Kenya, which is responsible for teams at this level, has a subsisting contract with Nike. It is a contract that we found while already in place. And so Kenyan teams are, by virtue of that contract, kitted by Nike. And the team that went to Budapest, Honorable Speaker, I actually have the privilege of having the photos because I flagged off the team myself. And at the flagging off, Honorable Speaker, I was together with the President of Athletics Kenya, General Jackson Tuwei. And Honorable Speaker, if you allowed me, I would actually pass on to the Honorable Majority Leader images of Team Kenya, fully kitted in their Nike uniform as per the contract of kitting these teams. And so, Honorable Speaker, I want to submit respectfully that the Kenyan team in Budapest is actually properly kitted by the kitting partner, who is Nike. Honorable Speaker, the Majority Leader also raised a question on the challenges that the ministry may be